Good morning, everyone. Everyone's all good to keep on heading all the way down and fill in all that available space. Keep on heading all the way down. Just make sure you stay outside that.
Nothing can stop us now. I'll tell you how. We're gonna make it happen. Let's take a ride and spend the day in the countryside.
Good times are here to stay. We'll get away and have the perfect picnic. We'll sing a song and absolutely nothing will go wrong. Now we're heading down the open highway, and I'm glad you're going my way. Everything is just so peachy keen.
Hi, Goofy.
Hey, howdy. Beautiful day for a picnic.
Yup, we're off to the park.
See y'all there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how we could have any trouble.
Well, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there.
Oh, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
I guess I could. That's a lot of paper.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Let's go and have fun on those trains. Whoa, look at this.
What happened, Daddy?
Fixing the train.
Hola pasajeros, durante nuestro viaje en tren, para su seguridad, mantengan sus manos separadas y piernas dentro de sus coches. Por favor, permanezcan
2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's conga!
There's a switch!
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
We've had one crazy ride. With you on my side. The stars will be on night. The reasons for us
Gosh, what's this lever do?